I'm Dan McKenzie. I'm the Senior Production Manager for Jacuzzi Bath Remodel of Portland. We're here today in Hillsboro, Oregon to meet with this year's recipient for our Baths for the Brave event. Hi Gary, Dan, nice to meet you. So what this event is designed to do is recognize a veteran in the community. We'll get entries from members of the community, and then we will select one veteran to receive a shower remodel from Jacuzzi. So I guess I should probably tell you now that you're actually the recipient this year, so we're selecting you for that. Yeah, so congratulations on that. I look forward to coming out and working with you, and I've already picked the team that's gonna do it. He'll show you all the different colors, all the fixtures, anything you want to make showering, easier for you. I mean, what does that mean to you?
I don't know how it is for most people, but like, there's that American dream type thing, like, things you want in the future.
Yeah.
And like, I still remember being in the guard tower, just like, what do I want my house to look like? And just saving every dime and stuff. And then this happened to me, and then it's like, how am I gonna live a normal life? Oh, I'm just entirely grateful.
You'll do your selections, and then from there we'll put the order into our factory. November 11th, of course, will be the day that they'd like to do the install. That's Veterans Day, so if you're available. Being able to shower safely is something that I think a lot of us take for granted. For a disabled veteran, someone who's lost their legs, that's something that they have to put a lot of time and thought into. What we really are here to do today is to give him every opportunity to do that in a safe way, and also in a way that looks really good.
Ever since I've gotten hurt, there's been like these moments where people will just like stop everything just to thank me for my service. And like, I can't just pour out like all the sacrifices I've done in my life, but like, this is their way of saying thank you, and I'm always grateful.
Well, the goal is that his shower system will be much more accessible and safe. Obviously, that's a big thing for us. He'll be able to sit down in his shower. So as comfortable and as safe as we can make it is what he's gonna have when we're done.
Got everything ready for you.
Oh, this one.
Perfect.
Yep, we got soft closing doors that go both ways.
Perfect.
Got a little bit of piggy.
It's very nice.
It's excellent.
It was such a pleasure meeting you. We're so happy that we were able to do this for you. So
it's just, validation. It's hard to put into words specifically. I never thought I'd own a home, let alone have a jacuzzi shower. Now my sister's gonna be jealous of me. You guys were awesome. You did an outstanding job. So it's nice.